In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private channel public in Slack. This is a useful change when you want conversations to be easier to discover across your workspace. Once a private channel becomes public, anyone in the workspace can find it and join it, and that also means the channel's previous messages and shared files become searchable and visible to everyone. So, before you make the change, it's important to be sure that the content in that channel is appropriate to share more broadly. One quick note before we begin. Not everyone in Slack has permission to do this. In most workspaces, only workspace owners, or org admins can change a private channel to a public one. If you don't see the options shown in this tutorial, you'll likely need to contact someone with the right permissions to help you. To get started, open Slack using either the desktop app or your web browser. Then sign in to your workspace if needed. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the private channel you want to update. Private channels are marked with a lock icon, which makes them easy to identify. Click on that channel to open it. After the channel is open, move to the top of the chat window and click directly on the channel name in the header area. This opens the channel details panel where you can manage the channel's settings and properties. When that panel appears, click on the settings tab to continue. Inside the settings tab, scroll down through the available options until you reach the bottom section. There, you should see an option labeled Change to a Public Channel. Click on that option. Slack will then show a confirmation message letting you know exactly what this change means. This warning is important because it confirms that the channel history and any files already shared in the channel will become visible to everyone in the workspace. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the red Change to Public button to confirm. As soon as the change is complete, the lock icon next to the channel name will switch to a hashtag symbol. That's your confirmation that the private channel is now public. From this point on, people in your workspace will be able to search for it, view it, and join it on their own. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.